What's good, family? So your boy forgot to do an intro for the video that I'm about to drop. I'm going to be going through EURUSD and GBPUSD, man. Honestly, those two trades have been an absolute vibe. So I'm going to be breaking those down and showing you guys what I'm doing with them right now as well. Before we even get started, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new around here. Let's get your boy to 10,000 subs. I'm believing that we're going to smash 10,000 subs at least within the next month. So guys, do your thing, do your magic. Let's go. Let's get your boy to 10k subs. And guys, let's try and get 250 likes in the video. I know the like gang is strong. I know you guys are out there. You guys be watching the video, but you're not liking the thing. So guys, like the video. Look, if we can get 1,000 likes, that would be crazy. Also guys, I'm going to be sharing a little clip about EURUSD and how I got my entry. So this video was from at least 2 or 3 videos back when I was breaking down EURUSD. By the way folks, it's morning right now. In the UK, it's so cold right now. We're in the negatives right now. Okay, a little bit of an over exaggeration, but literally it's just so cold. Hence why your boys all hooded up. So you guys can see right here, you can see EURUSD. I jumped into EURUSD from the top. Right now, I'm going to quickly insert a clip from a few videos back on how I caught that EU smart money trade entry. So this is how I managed to get my entry with EU. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So that was that double top that was run. Okay, that was the double top. If I zoom all the way out, you can see it. That was a double top that was run with this candlestick. And they always push it. They always use a very strong candlestick just to break through that zone. And then they started consolidating. But you know, above consolidation, it also has liquidity, right? And so check this out. They came up once, came up twice, didn't run it. Yeah, in other words, they generated more liquidity. So they made people think that this trade was going to be dropping down, right? And then look what happened. They pushed up again. They didn't stop them. They didn't run out this liquidity up here, right? So in other words, once again, this now to retail traders became a very strong zone, right? And then finally, we got the run on liquidity, snatched all these people's money, and then we're pushing down again. So this is how I got my entry. So when they ran out the liquidity, I jumped in over here, and now we're selling it all the way down. You guys saw where I jumped in the trade, right? I jumped in right from the very top where smart money was jumping in, and literally it just plummeted. I didn't ride out this whole trade to the very bottom, but it's good to know that the analysis, working analysis is on point as well. So check it out, family, check it out. Look, let's run it back, let's run it through. So look, we had equal lows down here, equal lows. So in other words, equal lows, some people could know them as double bottoms. And you guys know what's beneath double bottoms. Like I done told you guys over and over and over again, there's people's money sitting right down here. And the money is not just at the double bottom line, as you can see, it's not just right here at this line. The money is literally in this area down here, okay? In this area down here. So that would be the draw on price, family. That would be the draw on price, right? So, in other words, what happened is when we jumped in here, okay, our eyes were down here, okay? So that was our target zone. That was our target zone. And it actually hit our target zone to the T. So I literally said down here, this is my actual zone that I was targeting, yeah? Down here, right? That was my actual zone that I was targeting over here. When we go over to the right-hand side, you can see that price then, what did it do? It traded down into that zone, as you can see, so it smashed that target. So let's quickly just show you the DXY, because the EURUSD is literally the DXY upside down. So you can see price was lingering down here, was all doing this little dancing thing over down here, okay? What I really wanted to see though, this is what I really wanted. I wanted it to come back down to this area first before taking off, but it said hell no, I'm going, okay? And it went straight, snatched the equal highs, okay? Equal highs on the EURUSD is equal lows or double bottoms. This one is a double top, right? And it smashed straight into our area, okay? Our first area. I'm still bullish on the DXY, so I am looking for DXY to push up into these areas down here. And so that means I'm bearish on EURUSD as well. But ultimately, this was the play, okay? The DXY, this was the draw on liquidity on the DXY, on the dollar, okay? And it came through and smashed that, and it's still going higher and higher and higher. So let's go back to EURUSD now. So this is what we're feeling with EURUSD. So ultimately, I wanted EURUSD to come down. I want EURUSD to come down into this area down here. Okay, so literally, it's about, let's just double check. Let's just double check from where it is now, okay? It's roughly about, this zone here is roughly about a 150 pip range, right? So this is where my ultimate target is. Okay, this is my ultimate target is for EURUSD, and this is where I want to start seeing some kind of reversal signs and then it taking off again. So guys, this is EURUSD. I'm still, like I said, one more time, I'm still bearish on EURUSD. I'm not saying it's just going to go drop down here all the way, okay, just straight away. It might do little small pullbacks and then get down here. So if you are going to be in any kind of buys on this one, make sure it's kind of short term, you know, because the DXY, I want the DXY to come a lot higher. So that would basically mean EURUSD for lower prices. Don't forget, family, if you're going to be trading these things, trade them in your demo account. Trading includes a lot of risk, right? So if you're comfortable and you want to go ahead and trade, then go ahead and do that. But other than that, make sure you're placing these trades in your demo account. Do you know what? Before I move off, actually, let's quickly show you something. So let's quickly go down to the 50-minute time frame. Let's see what's happening. So right now you can see what EURUSD is pulling back up a little bit, right? So look at this, just as an example, so you guys know what market flow is, right? So market flow is this, right? You're seeing lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows, a higher high. This high smashed this high. It beat that high. So that's a break in market structure, right? So then what you would do is you wait for price to pull back down, okay, into this area down here, pull back down into this area down here, into a discounted price, and then you go in for your buys. As you can see, it pushes up, right? So guys, that was the play on EURUSD. And actually, just to show you GU as well, real quick, let's show you GBPUSD. So GU has been a vibe, okay? So GU once again from the very top. I'm gonna run back both. So let's go GBPUSD now. Let's go GBPUSD. You can see for GU, same play, same thing are going. Okay, I don't even know if that was power or not, right? But same things are going on over here after the monthly buy side liquidity. And then this is where your boy entered. This was the target. This was where our eyes were. Down here, you can run all the videos back. This is where my eyes were on GBPUSD. Run them back, okay? Run them back. Really learn and try and understand these concepts as well. So run these back. This was the target, 725 pips, right? 725 pip target. It got down here. It got down here. I closed this trade off when it was down here, okay? When it just missed, it just came shy of hitting our target zone. I'm like, you know what? I'm not holding this trade. You know, I'm done. And obviously, but it got down here eventually. So now this is the play on GBPUSD, right? This was the play on GBPUSD. So now check this out, right? This is just beautiful, beautiful stuff, right? It came to our zone. That's all good, right? And then look at this high over here. It pushed down to make this low, right? Then there was a break of this high. Okay, price pushed up into this area down here. The moment you get that break in market structure, wait for price to come back down to a discounted price. Boom. I traded it into the last down close candle, and then we took the buy, and now we're pushing up, right? But I actually got into more buys in here. I got the team into a buy as well, so I'm gonna quickly run that back, quickly show you Wagwan. So we jumped into a buy roughly about 35, and then our TP target was just these highs, okay? These highs. These were the highs, yesterday's highs. Right, so this was the previous day's high over here, and so when we jumped in, we targeted the previous day highs, right? And so that trade alone, check it out, from was roughly about 35 to up here. Yeah, that was TP1, 42 pips, right? This happened in probably the quickest time possible. Literally in about, what, 15 to 30 minutes, we had hit our profit target. This is the signals group. You can see right down here, buy GBPUSD market execution. This was at 12.58. This was at 12.58, right? So let's run this back at 12.58. What happened? This is where we called it out in this area down here at roughly about 12.58, and look at it. It then took off like crazy, just jumped, and did its thing from down here up to these highs. Literally, how long did that take to get to the high? About 17 minutes and done. Boom, that's what it is. We hit TP1, 42 pips. That's more than enough pips for one day, family. I'm just letting you know. Guys, we're talking today. We are talking today. I'm letting you know that's more than enough pips for one day, right? People are aiming for 50 pips a week, right? You got that 50 pips in literally under 20 minutes. So guys, that was the move. Like I said, I'm still bullish on the dollar, so that means I'm still bearish on all these pairs. So these are all going to be short-term trades. Yes, I'm still in this trade, by the way. Just letting you know, I am still in this trade. Let's go to the 50-minute time frame again. So I am still in this trade, and we are pushing up, okay? So yeah, this was 8 o'clock in the morning for me, so that was the morning, and then this is literally London close right now. So in the space of time, what's happened? The price has rallied and then pulled back, right? And so now we should start getting a move back up. So this is what I'm aiming for. And then this move back up would, like I said, short-term things, right? The ultimate target zones for GBPUSD is down here. So let me quickly go ahead and show you where I'm aiming at. Okay, this is the ultimate area down here. Okay, down into this zone over here. So if I just bring out the ruler tool, how many pips are we talking about? So from where it is now, we're talking about roughly about another 100, maybe about 150 pip move. Okay, just another 150 pip move. Then I want to see some kind of reversal signs, and then take the move back up for the big move. Okay, that hopefully will break this high. So like I said, guys, if you are going to be placing any of these trades, place them in your demo accounts, man. Really utilize that demo account, really learn. You know, like I said, trading involves a lot of risk, right? So you need to practice. And then when you're comfortable, you can go ahead and start trading live. But that's only on your own accord. That's when you're comfortable. Anyway, guys, that's my analysis on EURUSD and GBPUSD. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up. Let's try and get 250 likes in this video. Other than that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of these gems.